Meet the Rudes, a family on the go. With busy careers and an active daughter, Kai, they have their hands full. Keeping the house clean is a daily responsibility.
We just have a very busy lifestyle, very active. My husband's a fitness coach. My job is also very mobile and flexible. I have a premium skincare business. I'm at home all day trying to fit in my chores, around all my business calls and work on the computer. Our daughter Kai is 3. Kai Rocket Rude is her name. She's definitely lives up to that name. That's a hurricane all in itself.
What are you doing, baby, in the sink?
Even though she's in school for most of the day, when she's home, it looks like she's been home all day, even when she's been home for like an hour. She likes to help feed the dog, pour the food in the bowl. It's fun to see her, taking over, trying to help mom with chores, but it also creates about 10 times the mess. The house is about 2,500 square feet. We've got 3 bedrooms. There's upstairs and downstairs, huge outdoor area, which we're out there a lot, tracking in dirt. We have 2 cats and a dog and a toddler. So yes, there is child hair, there is pet hair. It's evident that this is well lived.
With so much mess to clean up after, Elle definitely has her work cut out for her. She's been in the market for a cordless vacuum that fits her fast-paced lifestyle, whether it's cleaning up after an energetic toddler or furry 4-legged friends.
I've had my Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute for a couple weeks now. Absolutely love it. It's amazing. For a while, I kept my old stand-up vacuum around because I thought I was gonna need it for the really big messes, but I was able to get rid of it because my new Dyson can handle everything. I definitely want to hit that up with the team. I just vacuumed this rug a couple of weeks ago, and I thought this rug was pretty clean. I just used it again with my new Dyson. This bin is super full. That suction power is amazing. All the attachments are really convenient. I was able to use the wand to get up high and clean the vents, switched it out for the smaller attachment to clean the vents on the lower part of our walls. Wonton loves to sit on the sofa, so the mini motorized tool is perfect for cleaning up the fur after he gets off the sofa. Thank goodness for that soft touch trigger, or Kai's baby doll dress would have been gone, sucked right up. I use the self roller to pick up cereal and dog food. And I can go from the wand to the handheld in seconds. Cleaning out the sand in my car is so easy with the cordless. The washable filter makes it so easy to clean. Easier to empty too, just point and shoot. Lots of attachments, easy to use. And it charges quickly.
This Dyson is packed with power and versatility. It includes a fully sealed HEPA filtration system that keeps dust and dirt from leaving the vacuum, creating a cleaner space and healthier air quality inside your home. What more could you ask for?
It's been a super busy day today. I've gotten my daughter off to school. I got a lot of work done, did some conference calls, checked some emails. I went and ran some errands, hit the gym. All the while, I've been mixing in a lot of cleanup around the house, which still not done, so I've got some time to hit a little bit more of that before they get back from school, and then we'll be making dinner.
For more information, go to Dyson.com or our website, designingspaces.tv. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.